crystal at least.
Hey guys, Jonas and I are at a restore. He thinks this is real Casablanca crystal. I'm tempted to get this. Always wanted one. Could have got one for free when I worked at Fanimation. Obviously, don't work there anymore. I'm on the fence. I still kind of want it. But I also have been kind of staying away from videoing Fanimation stuff unless it's extremely
Hooray
cool.
for really cool antique lighting. $5.
We buying that, I hope?
I am, absolutely.
Good.
You bet.
If
It'll be difficult to find a shade for it, but I'm gonna give it the old college try.
If for any reason you don't want to ship that back, then we will find a place for it in the laundry room.
Awesome.
With a color change bulb, but it doesn't necessarily need a shade.
Yep.
Well, I will let Jonas talk me in or out of getting this animation. If it was cheaper, it's $35, which is not crazy. But if it was cheaper, it would be a definite yes. If it was more expensive, it'd be a definite no. I'm leaning towards no at this point, just because I don't know what I would do with it after I videoed it. But I'm not completely sold.
I say no.
Okay, Jonas says no. So unless I have a huge change of heart before we leave, then I'm going to leave it. He made a noise. Did you find anything cool?
Nice clock there, but not for that price.
Ah. This restore has been very hit and miss for me over the years. What is this? Before I stop the video, what is this?
That is a hot plate.
Oh, it's not lighting? Both of these?
Super cool. Yeah, both of those are hot plates.
But they're not, okay, so they're not lighting. I thought they lit up.
Nope, they're cool.
Only because they're in the lighting section.
Yeah, they're cool though.
They're in the wrong section. Okay, thanks for watching.